Get all the tools you need to reach your ideal body weight and health goals in an effective, convenient, cost-efficient, and enjoyable manner. Take the free quiz and get 8-week fully customized keto meal plan, plus deliciously easy keto recipes ebook. Learn what to eat every day to reach your goals in the fastest and most enjoyable way. Unlike other diets where you're feeling hungry all day and food is constantly on your mind, the keto diet completely eliminates this. You actually never feel hungry with this way of eating. 100% made for you keto meal plan designed to help you lose fat, boost energy levels, and improve health. The keto diet can help you obtain and maintain a healthy weight. The keto diet boosts brain function. The keto diet can help manage or even reverse diabetes. The keto diet reduces heart disease risk. The keto diet boosts mental well-being. The keto diet may prevent and fight some types of cancer. The keto diet can improve gut health and bowel disorders. To create this service, certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs united to develop keto meal plans that are effective, convenient, cost-efficient, and enjoyable. Hundreds of clients have already transformed their figure and health with the benefits a proper keto diet can offer. So, if you're ready to take control over your weight and health, take action now, because there are no downsides to this offer.